going for having breakfast after shift, right?
Oh.
Una muna 'yan parang, "Oh, team breakfast tayo," ganyan, team breakfast and then after shift and I'm telling this story based on my experience as when I became a hindi, ano, agent pa lang ako nun yata, eh, parang 2003 gano'n, right? So, meron akong
Hmm.
bagong teammate nun na may itsura na gwaping-gwaping 'no, and then meron din akong long parang tenured ka-teammate nun na girl naman siya. Ang pangalan niya Doris. Hi, Doris. Ano siya, tawag dito, tapos si Kyle. Tapos kaming dalawa diyan. Ano na, kayo pa rin ba? Gano'n. Parang ano, parang yun, parang we met our quota, our team quota kasi sales yun, eh, sales program yun.
Hmm.
Nakamit kami ng team na goal namin for the day, so we decided to have breakfast that same morning, right? And then, tapos biglang naging every weekend, team breakfast, up to the point wherein kami din ng mga siguro mga 4 or 5 kaming magkaka-teammates. Kami yung core barkada talaga sa team, na up to the point wherein kami na lang 5 ang nagbe-breakfast, parang almost every day. And then napansin namin na yung dalawa nga, si Kael tsaka si Doris, eh, sila na lang nagbe-breakfast everyday, right?
Ooh.
Kumbaga parang every after shift, parang, walang breakfast today, so kami kanya-kanya na kaming uwian and then we notice yung dalawa, eh, sabay naglalakad pa palayo, baka yun. And then the following day, we learned na, nagbe-breakfast pala sila after shift, right? And then dumating yung point, siguro mga few months later, parang, aga ng parang kasi ako, I'm always early sa office no'n. Pero parang
Mm.
dumating yung point na wherein pagpasok ko sa office, nandun na agad yung dalawa sa lobby, nasa couch, right? "Oh, aga niyo, Hey." Yun pala is silang dalawa, eh, umamin naman na they're having coffee, they're meeting before shift sa mall. They have dinner and they have coffee every day before shift. Yun, up to the
Hmm.
point wherein they confess to us sa core, barkada, core tropa is yun na nga, sila na nga.